We are on our way to pick up a new trailer. What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm excited. Babes is excited. We're picking up a trailer. This is for the new setup that I'm gonna have. A lot of things is happening, man, and slowly growing. Anyways, we're about to meet up with the person to go get this trailer. Of course, we're gonna bring you guys along and, you know, show you guys what we got. Yo, it's cold as hell out here. All right, y'all, so we just had breakfast. About to go get some paperwork signed. We're in Kentucky right now. We're with the guy that we're getting this trailer from. So it's a used trailer that we're getting. I believe it's a 2021 or a 2020. I'll have a little bit more details, but y'all know the person I'm getting it from. At least a lot of y'all know. Most of y'all know. Really good guy, man. And you know, he really gave us, he was giving everyone a good deal on this trailer. Right when I seen the trailer go up for sale and, you know, he posted it, it was within seconds that post went out, and I immediately messaged him, not even really thinking like I'm looking for a trailer, but I knew I was, you know, eventually gonna get into a bigger setup. We just purchased a new trailer.
It feels amazing.
Yeah.
Feels
small
good.
Steps.
Yeah, one step at a time. You know what I mean? One asset at a time for the business.
Guys, what is good? So we are here, man, and as y'all already know, we are excited. We are picking up our new used PJ trailer out here in Kentucky. I'm gonna show you guys in a few, but by now you guys probably already know who I'm with, who I got the trailer from. Highly respect this guy. Before we started Hotshot, used to watch his videos. Ton of knowledge, ton of information. So if a lot of you guys are getting into the industry and want knowledge, go to his channel, man, check him out. So Ricky, get over here, bro. Yeah, man, so I was telling them the story of when I seen the post. Here's who we got the trailer from, y'all. Ricky, Load Mizer, in the flesh. Cool dude, man. Yeah, when I seen his post, I just happened to get on Instagram, man, honestly, and I seen it. It was like within seconds. And I was like, I'm messaging him, you know what I'm saying? And then I'm sure he got a ton of messages after that.
Oh, I did.
You know, about the trailer, and people want it because, of course, everyone knows how the market is. And honestly speaking, it was just humbling to know that, you know, he wasn't really out there trying to get this buku money for the trailer. He was, you know, it was a decent price, and, you know, I appreciated that as well. So it was posted for $10,700. Yep. It is a PJ, 2020 PJ, 40 foot with dual tandem axles. Yeah, man, let's go look at the trailer, y'all. We've already did all our transactional paperwork. Thanks to Ricky for holding the trailer, because we purchased it, what was it, like
a couple months ago.
But you know, time in with everything that's been going on, it's been kind of hard to get out here. Wifey rode out here with me. She's holding the camera. She's the ride or die. We got Hope. But anyways, let's show them the trailer, man. Come on. Everybody.
The famous Load Mizer.
Yeah, man, it's pretty dope, man. Pretty dope.
This is where it hides.
This is where it hides. So here it is, y'all. And Ricky did a review on this video. He did a review on the trailer on his channel. So if you guys want more specs and more things like that, go check it out. Come up, babe. I don't know if you can hear me with the wind. This is it, guys. This is the trailer. So Ricky's over there hiding, guys. Nah, I'm playing. We're just freestyling it, but awesome deal, bro. Like, you can't beat it. He just doing, you know, a bunch of supplies, and, you know, It's got the slide rail on there. And as y'all know, we're getting ready to transition into operating, you know, CDL. So it came right in time, to be honest. Let's do a quick little walk around for you guys. Like I said, we got the slide, we got the winches on there with the slide rail. That's always a plus. And we've got oil bath, right? Yep. Oil bath axles.
With the aftermarket valve caps on there instead of the plastic.
Okay, that's what's up. Yeah, guys, so we're just doing a quick walk around. You're gonna take your plate, right, Ricky?
Yeah.
Okay. I want to drive off with that Kentucky.
So basically, the rundown of this is it's a 40-foot PJ, flatbed, of course, straight deck. There's no ramps on it.
That's what I like.
It's low pro, so the fenders are directly. There's no fenders to drive over. It's 8.5 foot wide. Got the dual 10K axles. The weight rating on it's 25K total.
Sweet, man. I love it.
Yeah. sliding ramps, front and side mounted toolboxes. The ramps are steel, so I don't know if aluminum's the way to go.
Oh yeah. I think I've got the same ones on my other PJs. So
they're heavy.
32 foot. They're heavy, man.
Yeah.
You gotta watch your back on those.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. It's a beautiful trailer, man. I'm happy.
That stain I put on it came off.
It's
Nice,
it's still in way better shape than mine.
I've got the typical PJ lift and a board there.
Oh yeah, right here.
Yeah. This one there. This one, see, just get those big head lag screws from, I think I got those from Home Depot.
Okay.
I already did that board. Looks like that one's got to be next.
Yeah, I mean it's you put these things to work, man. You know, you'd expect these things to happen, so that's just normal wear and tear. I got some tarps up there, man. You know, so y'all know we always tarping. But yeah, guys, we're pretty much gonna be here chopping it up and then get hooked up, and then we'll be on our way back to Houston. But this is a new trailer, man, that we're added, and again, we're just grateful that Ricky worked with us and was patient and gave us a sweet deal.
Yeah.
So yeah, man, we appreciate it.
No problem at all.
And
Glad
Ricky,
I could help.
Yeah, man, Ricky he went from flatbed to the car hauling.
Yep.
So he's got a 3-car wedge?
Yeah, it's it's a wedge trailer, 3-car wedge. It does have the flippers where you could put 4 smaller vehicles on at a time, but
okay.
I've never used them because the 3500.
Yeah,
the axle weight won't let it happen.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, man. He's got a nice setup. I gotta get me a dually. We're gonna pull it home, of course, in my truck. This is gonna be paired with a dually of some sort, and then, we'll get rolling. Come on in here.
I can barely talk. My jaw is frozen.
It's cold. Yeah.
Cold.
It's cold.
So do you got anything to say? How do you feel?
I'm just happy, excited for the next venture, excited for the next season, and just grateful to be meeting MIZER and good people in the community,
Yeah.
It's just always warms my heart.
Yeah. Anyways, y'all, I'm gonna see you guys in a few. We're gonna get hooked up and just finish up. So again, Ricky, we appreciate you, brother.
Oh yeah.
Peace. I can't even tell, bro. Am I off or am I on? Hey, what's going on, you guys? So we made it back here to Houston. Just got the trailer dropped off here at our drop yard, pretty much a storage yard out here. So we're just grateful that everything was good, man. Everything was safe. We made it back. Yeah, man, this is trailer number 2 to the fleet, to our business. We'll have her up on the road soon, man. So stay tuned for that. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. Once again, shout out to MIZER, to Ricky. We appreciate the, just everything, the whole process with getting this, trailer from you and just being patient with us. So thank you guys for watching, man. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. This was a short video just to show you guys our new 2020 PJ LD gooseneck trailer that we will be using to operate CDL really soon. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, follow me on Instagram at Hotshot_Macc. Follow the wife, she's in the truck, she's not feeling too well. She is Mrs.HotshotMacc. We'll see you guys in the next video. This is pretty much how we came down. Magnets came in handy. Oh yeah, there goes our other baby right there. She been sent. We gotta come take care of her. So we got our RV here, and then we got trailer number 2, y'all. But yep, we up out of here.